So CJ told me to make some videos on how to make liveries for you guys. Creative Core is primarily uh ERLC based, but we also do Maple County ones. If CJ will let me, I'll make a separate video on how to do the Maple County ones, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to do ERLC ones. Um, there's multiple steps to this, obviously, as with anything else. And the first step is to find a design software app. I use Figma. Most people would use Paint.net. Other people use anything else, but I use Figma. I like Figma. It's really cool, and it sounds like a funny word. Um, so I'm gonna show you guys how to, use Figma, how to get Figma, and then yeah, we'll go on from there. So the first thing is to, find it. Um, they have a website, which I'm showing you right here, but I prefer the app for multiple reasons. One of the reasons being the lag when it comes to zooming in on your designs. This is the lag. It's really annoying. It got to a point for me where I couldn't even handle it because it made, moving stuff like really difficult like it is right here. So I download their app and notice how much better it is, right? I'm zooming in on the same thing and it's a lot better, right? I could just move things freely. I like it. Uh, so when it comes to when you do get Figma, you're gonna be met with this screen. It's gonna, I believe you should see a project right here, team project, whatever. It's probably gonna tell you to make a profile, just make it, whatever. Make sure you say that's for design, and then this is what you're gonna be shown with. You're gonna click whichever one. It's gonna be an empty screen. This is where you're gonna put your templates for ERLC. The templates, I'm sure CJ will put in a link for the templates, but to find them, you'll go to the ERLC Discord or you click the link that CJ will send and it'll bring you here, the custom liveries one, right? So what you're gonna do is if you're doing like anything PD related, click the law enforcement one, and then there's these folders. There's the cars, four-wheeler, other vehicles, SUVs, trailers, and trucks. Normally people want SUVs or cars like the Explorer or the Impala or Mustang, whatever. So this is where you would get them. Um, let's say, for instance, the 2020 Ford Explorer. It's gonna have these four or five templates. Each one is the ones that you need. I would click and left click and drag, right click and click download, wait from the download to go to your folder and then right click out and, extract it. And then you can insert them here. Uh, and this is what it would look like right here, right? We're focus on, gonna focus on another page because I don't want to show you guys my designs that I'm working on. Um, this is what it looks like. These are what the templates look like. I don't like them personally. ERLC could have done better, but we work with what we got, right? Some of them are a lot difficult to work with, like, the 2021 Tahoe because it has so many templates to work off of. A good starter one I recommend is the Explorers. They don't have many templates to work on, and they're not really as buggy as some of the other templates. So they're pretty good to work with, in my opinion. Um, yeah, that's pretty much about it. Now on to the next step. You made your design, right? And now you need to export it and get it into the game. There's one way to do this on Figma. I'm not sure about other softwares, but I know this is how you do it on Figma. Let me find a ERLC one. Yeah, this one will work. Um, just do this real quick. Okay, so you got your design, you have your like everything, right? And yeah, so what you would do is on Figma, you would left click drag over all of the things that you're trying to, group up. So if I wanted, let's say, the right side of this Explorer, not the left, the right side. I would take the right side template, do this, click Control G, that would make a group. Go scroll down, click export, export group, and then name it whatever. I usually name it like something like right here, the 2020 Explorer left, right? We're just gonna name it for CJ, and then the next step, uploading it to Roblox. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the Creator Hub. How do you get to the Creator Hub? Go to roblox.com like this, and you're gonna click Create. It's at the top right there. You're gonna go to Creations. You're gonna go to Development Items. Go to Decals, and then you're gonna upload decal, just like this. Notice how it's there now. Now I wouldn't grab the ID from decals. Go to Images, and then go to copy asset ID, and boom, you have the asset ID now, just like this right here. All right, I'm gonna make another video, and it's gonna show you guys how to import the vid or ID into the game, as well as show you some stuff about Figma.